What's up guys, this is Dustin Jones with S3 Powersports, and today we're going to install and test the Hess Motorsports steering rack brace for the Can-Am Maverick X3. Everybody likes to have a good rack. A lot of guys that own the new Can-Am Maverick X3 have noticed that after they get some miles on the car, they start getting a little slack and feedback through the wheel. And so basically this Hess Motorsports Can-Am Maverick X3 steering rack support is designed to help take that away. This thing is anodized aluminum. I know it's made out of 70-75, so you know it's good. It comes with all of the hardware that you need: shims, wear plates, billet aluminum machined parts, fully bolt-on design. It does work with the factory steering rack. It's a very nice product to help prevent steering rack wear or help reduce some of the steering rack wear if you've already got it. Hess does suggest that you buy a new steering rack or put these things on when the car is new. Now on my car, I've already got some wear on the steering rack. Let's get the steering rack out and get this thing installed and put to the test. By far the easiest way to install this rack support is to get the rack out of the car. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. So basically the slack in a lot of these steering racks comes from this rotation of this section right here. You can see there's a little bit of slack right there, but when it's on the car with big tires, then you really see the slack move. So what we need to do is set this thing up to slide inside this section of the Hess rack support to prevent that from rocking back and forth. So it does come with all of the hardware that you need, including a Delrin wear pad. Slides back and forth in here. These are replaceable. You can contact us and get a new one of these wear pads. One thing I do always like to do is use a little bit of red Loctite on these steering bolts. Yeah, this thing's designed to lock these bolts in place, so you gotta get them lined up just right for it to go on there. Let's get this shaft on here. Snug these up. Check for slack. No slack. It's the tightest that rack's ever been. Hess Motorsports steering rack support in. Let's see how good this thing drives. The Hess Motorsports steering rack brace for the Can-Am Maverick X3. Now keep in mind, my car already had a worn out rack, and honestly, I couldn't be more pleased with how the car performed today. We were blasting through whoops that were 3 foot deep, and so you were swapping hands really quick in the steering wheel. It didn't snatch out of my hands, it didn't try to pull on me. Really easy install, pretty simple to get the rack out there, not a big deal. For me, it's a no-brainer to get one of these things right when you get your car. If you want some more information on this Hess steering rack kit, or you want to go purchase one, all you have to do is swing by our website at s3powersports.com and check it out.